an American biotech company, successfully transplanted a 3D-printed human ear into a patient. The 3D Biotherapeutics finally administered the transplant in March this year, using the patient's own cells to print the ear. It was made in a mold that precisely matched the woman's left ear. After printing, the ear was successfully transplanted into the patient's head, which will continue to regenerate cartilage tissue over time, giving it a more natural look and feel. Even after clinical trials, the transplants may still be rejected by the patient's bodies, or lead to unforeseen health complications. However, since the cells used to make the ears are from the patient's bodies, the chances of rejection or complications should be slim. More data will be published once the study is completed. Are you excited about this development? Will this technology finally give confidence to those born with physical birth defects?